Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to join a school community. So first, of course, head over to school.com and make sure that you're logged into your account. Once logged in, you can start discovering different communities. You can also use the search bar to search for a specific community. Just be mindful that some communities are paid or requires payment and some are free. Now look for the specific community that you might be interested in and click on it. And from there, you should see the Join Group button. Just click on it, and some community might require you to answer some questions and also ask for your email address before you can join. So make sure that you fill out the fields. Then once done, head over and click on the join group button. Now the only thing left to do is wait for your membership to be approved. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!